Hey there, fellow kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best and most innovative kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking experience a breeze. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We've scoured Amazon and handpicked the top 8 kitchen gadgets that will revolutionize the way you cook. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive right in. First up, we have the Imperial Espresso Coffee Maker. This sleek and stylish coffee maker is perfect for all the coffee lovers out there. It boasts a powerful performance that ensures you'll have a rich and flavorful cup of espresso every time. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use, so you can enjoy your favorite coffee without any hassle. Next on our list is the Chef Garlic Chopper. Say goodbye to smelly hands and hello to effortless garlic preparation. This nifty gadget allows you to chop garlic with just a few quick rolls. It's compact, easy to clean, and it saves you valuable time in the kitchen. Prepare to add some flavor to your dishes without the hassle. Cleaning up after cooking can be a real chore, but not anymore with the Grime powered scrubber. This powerful tool takes the elbow grease out of scrubbing by doing all the hard work for you. With its high-performance scrub brush, it easily tackles dirt, grime, and stains, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. Say hello to a more enjoyable and effortless cleaning experience. If you're someone who loves to cook but hates spending hours chopping vegetables, then the OVICTA food chopper is a game changer. This versatile gadget makes slicing, dicing, and chopping a breeze. It's equipped with sharp stainless steel blades and a powerful motor, allowing you to quickly and precisely chop your ingredients. From salads to stir-fries, you'll be amazed at how much time and effort you save in the kitchen. Now, let's talk about organization. The OVICTA stainless steel good grip sinkware caddy is a must-have for keeping your sink area neat and tidy. It features a clever design with compartments for holding your sponges, brushes, and even your dish soap. No more cluttered countertops or searching for your cleaning tools. With this caddy, everything will be within easy reach and beautifully organized. These Yunking glass storage jars are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Made from high-quality glass, they're perfect for storing and preserving your spices, herbs, or homemade goodies. The airtight seal keeps your ingredients fresh for longer, and the clear glass allows you to see what's inside at a glance. Add a touch of elegance to your kitchen while keeping everything neatly organized. Tired of unevenly toasted bread? The Revolution Installed Yellow Touchscreen Toaster is here to put an end to that. With its advanced touchscreen technology, you can easily select the desired level of toasting, and the toaster will evenly brown your bread to perfection. It's not just functional, it's a stylish addition to your kitchen countertop. Last but not least, we have the Braden Chopper electric vegetable chopper. This handy gadget takes the hassle out of chopping vegetables. With its sharp blades and powerful motor, it quickly and effortlessly chops, slices, and dices a variety of vegetables. Whether you're preparing a salad or a stir-fry, this electric chopper will save you time and effort in the kitchen. And there you have it, an in-depth look at these amazing kitchen gadgets. They are sure to transform your cooking experience and make your time in the kitchen more enjoyable. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your hands on these fantastic products. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting kitchen gadget recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!